Damn. Today is the last day to pay the rent. This app is also showing that the server is down. I need to send the money urgently right now.
Someone here has posted a new, updated app link. It says, Fast UPI Lite.
The app actually looks just like the real one. It's asking for my customer ID and login password.
My phone is showing another warning. People probably use this to make payments quickly anyway. I've changed the settings and install it.
I'll just type it in.
Got the customer ID? Got the password? Got the UPI pin too?
What is this? All the money in my account is gone. Was downloading that app my mistake?
Rahul, never download any banking or UPI apps from anywhere other than the Google Play Store or
Apple App Store. Do not download them through any other links. Those fake apps are traps designed to steal your password.
Damn.
Before downloading any banking app, always check who the developer is. Make sure the app is published by the official bank. Shows an unknown sources warning, never ignore it. That warning is there to protect you. If you are cheated by a fake banking app, immediately disconnect your phone from the internet. Call 1930 and report the fraud. We can help you take immediate steps to try and block the money.